by stopping right in the middle of the road. So today Jeff wanted me to take the WRX to go filming. We filmed a little bit. I took some cinematics right here. We have our friend Sean in front helping film with the DJI Osmo. We're just pretty much driving around. I have the mic mounted into the engine bay. I think the car right now has plenty of power, but the only thing is because he went upgraded turbo lag is horrendous. So I would be on throttle and then dump the clutch, whatever. If I just let go of throttle for even half a second, the car catches traction. And then eventually once it builds into the boost range again, it gains traction. So this car, I don't know if having a big turbo is the right way to go if you do want to end up sliding it.